The ideal engineer is a composite. He is not a scientist, he is not a mathematician, not a sociologist or a writer, but he may use the knowledge and techniques of any or all of the disciplines in solving engineering problems. A very good afternoon to you. My name is Utkarsh Shinde and I am a third year undergrad in mechanical engineering student from Pillai College of Engineering. Me and my team are making this video to walk you through our project titled as Modeling, Drafting and Analysis of Cylinder Fins, which we are doing as a part of our project based learning curriculum. In this project, we have reverse engineered a automobile component, that is the cylinder block and fins of a two-wheeler. So what exactly is reverse engineering? Reverse engineering, also known as backwards engineering or back engineering, is a process through which one attempts to understand how a device, a process, a system, or a piece of software accomplishes a task with very little insight into how exactly it does so through deductive reasoning. This process is often used by companies when purchasing a replacement part from original equipment manufacturer is not an option. In this project, we initially visited the local garages in our vicinity and got ourselves a Hero Honda cylinder block. We then took the dimensions of this component and modeled it using the 3D modeling software SolidWorks. Then this part was imported to ANSYS Workbench, where we did its thermal and structural analysis to find the reaction to various external conditions. Now, moving on to what exactly are cylinder fins. Cylinder fins are the extended surfaces which help to dissipate the heat generated in the engine. Various automobile industries work to increase the heat dissipation rate by which engine efficiency can be increased. In general concept, the heat generated inside the cylinder should be maintained at a higher level to increase the thermal efficiency. But to prevent the thermal damage, some heat should be removed from the engine. In air-cooled engine, extended surfaces called fins are provided at the periphery of the engine cylinder to increase this heat transfer rate. That is why we are doing this analysis on it to analyze the thermal stresses and structural properties on it.
Thank you, Utkarsh. My name is Gaurav Markad and I'll be telling about the technical specifications of the component. So this is the actual component, that is cylinder block of Hero Honda Splendor, which we got from a garage. The cylinder block which we choose is from Hero Honda Splendor of 97.2 mm3 cc. Its bore diameter is of 50 mm. It has in total 30 fins which are distributed as 11 is to 8 is to 11 on three sides of the cylinder block. The material used to manufacture the cylinder fin is cast iron. Now let's move on the material specifications of the grey cast iron, which we are going to consider during analysis. This table specifies the value of thermal conductivity as 52 watt per meter degree Celsius. Specific heat at constant pressure to be taken as 447 joule per kg degree Celsius, and the density of the grey cast iron is 7200 kg per meter cube. And these are the drawings of the component with its dimensions used for the modeling process. Now I would like Shivam to continue from here.
Thank you, Gaurav. My name is Shivam Shashikant Sawan. The measuring tool which we used to measure the actual model was a vernier caliper and a metric scale. As we have studied in our earlier years about the vernier caliper, it is a measuring and layout tool typically used for measuring linear dimensions. It can measure outer dimension using the main jaw, inner dimension using the inner jaw, and depth using the stem. The least count of the vernier caliper which we used was 0.1 mm. This is the video of a 3D model which we created in SolidWorks. We have conducted multiple meets so that all the members were involved in the creating of the model and also understanding the modeling process. This video also shows the bore diameter, which is 50 mm, and also the fins which have thickness of 2.5 mm. This is the 2D drafting of a model which includes all the dimensions with respect to the data. We have also given tolerances and positioning to the holes. And other features like surface, finish, and cylindricity are also mentioned in this.
Thank you, Shivam. My name is Saili Patil, And I'll continue with the FEA requirements and the analysis to be performed on the component. The actual mass of the component is 2.6 kg and the mass of the model component is 2.5 kg. The deflection of 100 grams is due to the piston head that was attached to the actual component. ANSYS workbench was used as the analyzing tool for engine cylinder block. A triangular mesh of 5 mm was generated to give good results due to its high mesh quality. Steady state thermal analysis was carried out, which determines the temperature and heat flux. Following boundary conditions were given to the fins. Nodal temperature was taken as 150 degrees Celsius and the ambient temperature was assumed to be 22 degrees Celsius. The material used is grey cast iron and the stagnant air horizontal case is used as cooling medium on the outer surface. Here you can see the image of meshing performed on the component and the part of the component selected for the convection process. By performing the thermal and the structural analysis, the properties are obtained with the minimum and the maximum values for the components. So this is the GIF of thermal analysis of the component, which shows the maximum temperature inside the bore as 150 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature as 127.36 degrees Celsius as we move away from the bore. Similarly, if we apply 150 degrees Celsius temperature on the inside of the cylinder, then the heat flux at the maximum is 1.025 into 10 raised to 5 watt per meter square and at minimum is 4.23 into 10 raised to minus 3 watt per meter square. Here you can see the simulation of total deformation of about 1.165 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter followed by the equivalent stress values of minimum 53.003 into 10 raised to 3 Pascal and the maximum of 1.5586 into 10 raised to 9 Pascal. Now Utkarsh will continue with the conclusion.
So to conclude this video, I would like to say that in this project we have modeled a cylinder fin block for a Hero Honda 100cc motorcycle using the modeling software SolidWorks by taking the actual dimensions of the component. This model was then imported to analysis software ANSYS, where it undergone thermal and structural analysis, and we have found out properties as shown previously in the video. So hereby we have completed all the objectives that were required for the project as per instructed by the institute, and we hereby acknowledge all the professors who have helped us in this project and would like to extend our gratitude towards all the professors for giving their valuable time to us. Thank you.